Hi guys, today we are going to the Bolivian Amazon for 4 days and 3 nights.
To reach our destination, we had to take a flight from La Paz to Rurrenbaque. From there, it's a 3 to 4 hour boat ride to our point of disembarkation. We set off on the Beni River, which is part of the Amazon basin, on a tour organized by Madidi Travel. Accompanying us was Hilder, a top-notch guide who grew up in the rainforest.
We left from Rurrenbaque and we are going to our lodge in Serere, which is quite remote in the Amazon. It will take us around 3 hours by boat and I think around 40 minutes hike in the jungle. The water is quite fast and it's very brownish color. Now we are in a jungle and we have around 40 minutes to go through this. There are lots of insects here. Our guide is leading the way. We were given rubber shoes. Okay, it's quite hot. It reminds me of Asia, but much more dense.
Every few minutes, the forest gets denser and you soon realize how far you are from any civilization. In about 40 minutes, you reach your cabin, nestled deep in the rainforest.
Okay, we reached our cabana, our house. We were told to leave the shoes on the rubber carpet and this is how it looks like. It has a mezzanine and the bed, and look, all the walls, they are transparent, like with a net, so animals can just stare at us. We are like at a human zoo. Right, babe? How's the bathroom? Well, we have a shower, that's good, but of course there is no hot water and there is no electricity here as well, so it's going to be interesting. There are candles. Yeah, we have candles. I can do my yoga here in the morning. It's a great place. We are now in a big house, Casa Grande we call it, and it's like the place where you can come, hang out. It's open for animals. Animals can come, birds. And this is the Lake San Francisco. Apparently we are currently at this moment are the only tourists here. There are a lot of European tourists coming here, a lot of Dutch and German tourists, but at this point of time we are the only ones here, which is kind of interesting.
After a quick nap and a delicious lunch, we set off on our first walk deeper into the rainforest. It's essential to be fully covered to avoid any bites or stings.
I can see the brown capuchin monkey there. I'm on the dance. Can you see? He's looking at us. Can you see?
Yeah, he's looking at us.
Yeah.
Let's go.
He's quite bigger. I want to see him jump.
Let's go right here.
After a short walk, we saw the most dangerous insect in the world, the bullet ant. In this first outing, we also saw some other interesting creatures, like a bullfrog. But we were tired from our long journey and decided to head back to base to relax and wait for dinner.
It's sunset time and we are chilling at their big house with Udi in our hammocks. The sounds of the Amazon are really amazing. I can't wait for the night to fall asleep with all the sounds around. We had a nap earlier today and I think it was one of the best sleeps recently.
Food was exceptional, with a lot of variety and with ingredients grown in the premise. Dinners were eaten with candlelight, as there is no electricity in the lodge.
We had our dinner and we are heading back to our house. Cabana, it's very dark. We are using the torch.
Insects everywhere.
So many sounds.
Spider. Spider. No, that's alright. It's alright.
Oh my god. It's only 8 p.m. and it's very dark. As there is no electricity, there isn't pretty much nothing to do, just to go to sleep. But listen to all the sounds. We're leaving our house to go for breakfast. It's almost 8 a.m. and we woke up just like that at 7 on our own.
After breakfast, we ventured deeper into the forest. Clearing out a path in front of you is essential because you can come across things like this.
You really have to be careful when you walk in jungle. Look at this! All this is a huge web.
Over the next 2 hours, many primates followed us out of curiosity as we saw many more insects, birds, and animals. And after lunch, it was time to take a nap and then go fishing for dinner.
Hilder caught piranha. Actually, he caught 2. Nice. It requires skills, right? But would you learn how to throw it so far? Yeah.
Sustainability is a core foundation of the Serere Eco Lodge, and after catching 3 piranhas, we settled down for this amazing sunset. Darkness descends quickly here, and as we headed back to the shore, there were a couple of things waiting for us.
Surprise, surprise! Once we came to the shore, there is this huge tarantula. And Woody is telling me they can jump, so I better stay away.
On the trunk, the table.
Oh yeah.
On the table! Ooh!
Wow.
Oh man,
2.
it's incredible.
Incredible, yeah.
I think more open you like.
Make a bigger light.
Open.
Oh! Look, this is a giant anteater.
It's huge, yeah.
Maybe you come closer.
Yeah, amazing.
Wow, guys.
We see everything.
Amazing!
We see everything here.
After another delicious dinner, we headed back to our cabin for the night. And once again, we were woken up by the sounds and sights of the rainforest. On day 3, we went deeper still. Our destination was a lake about an hour away from our cabin. This lake gave us the best chance to come across caimans, anacondas, and maybe even a jaguar.
We reached the lake Gringo. Gringo actually means white person because behind this lake indigenous people saw Spaniards. You can't really swim here because there are caimans here and maybe piranhas and some other animals which can eat you. It's very narrow here. Uzi is working hard.
Therefore, jump in the anaconda.
Yeah, this is the real habitat of anaconda.
I want to see an anaconda.
Udi is really looking forward to anaconda jump out and show itself. There are big caimans here as well, but it's quite hot, so I doubt we're gonna see any. Okay, we found the caiman. He's right here. Opened his mouth. Now closed.
On our final day, the rainforest finally lived up to its name, and it started to absolutely pour. We spent the morning hours learning some local handicraft and made necklaces to take back with us. And after that, it was time to bid this magnificent place goodbye. We came here not knowing what to expect and were a bit anxious after the country had shut down. But after spending 4 days completely isolated from civilization and connection, our only regret is that we didn't stay longer. The sound of the rainforest waking us up will be one that will resonate in our minds. Until next time. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Do follow us if you like this video and want to see more. This is Vika and Udi from Home Is Out There, and we'll see you in our next adventure.